Hello guys, good day and welcome to another brand new video on the light bag collection. So how are you guys doing? Thank you for those of you which have subscribed to this channel and which have turned on the notification bell. So thank you for those of you, and those of you who have not subscribed as well, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. There are tons of video coming, educative video which is going to help you on your journey of bag making on this channel, so stay tuned. And YouTube is letting me to know that 60 close to 70% of people that watch this video are not subscribed. Please subscribe to this channel, and when you subscribe, let's see if this particular video can hit up to like as many as possible likes as possible. So this particular video we'll be doing on this channel today is Nelson bag, Nelson bag, not Nelson bag, Nelson bag. I hope I get it. Okay, should I explain? Lactating mom's bag. Did I even know what I'm saying? Okay, let me just say Nelson bag. So that was what we'll be making on this particular video today, and I have one here. Let me show you. This is the one we want to be making today. I hope you guys see it clearly. So I've stuck it, that's why it's big this way. So this is what we'll be making today. So guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like, leave a comment on what you think after you finish watching the video, and let me proceed to making it. I will talk about the illustration and the design, then we proceed to the cutting and everything. Stay tuned to this video because it's going to be late. Make sure to watch this to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, as we are going to proceed, let me use this time to quickly and explain everything on this design and illustration. So as you can see here, this is what we'll be doing. This is the design and the illustration of the bag. So the main size is 10. As you can see, this is 10 inch by 15 inch. So, and the side is going to be 6.5 inch. So that is it. The first panel you are going to cut is you cut 10 inch by 15 inch. After you cut it, then if you want to shape it, as you can see, this particular side I put, you measure 2 inch from this side, then you measure 3 inch from this side, then you cut and shape. So after you finish cutting, if you measure it, this side is going to give you 34 inch. So if you want to cut your side right, side left, and your bottom is going to be 6.5 inch by 34 inch. So that is that for you guys. So the front cover is 14 inch. As I've said, this is the measurement I put here. It's going to be 14 inch by 8 inch because the cover is going to be 4 inch. Then you fold it and sew, then you sew your magic gum to it as well. Then the front panel, which I'm going to show you soon, which I'm going to make 3 front panel for feeding bottle. So the measurement of that is going to be 6 inch. This is it, 6 inch by the same 15 inch. So when you finish doing it, you fold the top and sew it. Then before you start assemble where the feeding bottle are going to enter. So that is that. Then the measurements between the handle is going to be 5 inch from this particular side to this particular side is going to be 5 inch. I didn't write down here. That's down here. Then our handle is going to be, I put 16 inch here, but at the end of the day, when I want to make the bag, I discovered that 16 inch is too small. It's not that it's too small for people that want to like carry it as handbag, but if you want to carry it as shoulder bag, it's too small. So I decide from 16 inch to put it to 22 inch, so that at least if you are breastfeeding, if you are going to like hospital for some stuff or for some appointment, you can carry this as your handbag on your shoulder, or you can carry it as your shoulder bag or your handbag. So I decide to increase that. I put that into consideration. Sometimes if you are designing a new collection or if you are designing a bag, those are the things we check and put into consideration, that okay, this particular client, are they going to just carry this bag alone, or they want to make it comfortable for them to be able to carry it at each and every time. So this is the design and illustration part for you guys. Thank you. So let's proceed to the. So guys, if you look closely, I have some parts I finished cutting on my decks already. So as I've explained earlier, this is my front and back panel, which is This is where I say you measure 3 by 2 and shape it. So this is the 2 parts. This is the first one and this is the second one. Then this is my front pocket. This is my front pocket for the feeding bottle I was talking about. I'm going to use it to make 3 feeding bottle. And I say when you want to start, you fold this particular place the way I fold it like this and you stitch. So this is it. Then this is the pocket. As you can see, this is 4 inch. Then you fold it, you fold it and stitch this side, and you sew it this way. So this is the zip extension for this particular listing. This is this is 3 inch actually. So you make 2 of that again. Then this is the side. This is the side. And this is, I said that the one I talk about in the illustration is 6.5, but this is 8 inch by 34 inch. So I am going to make a side pocket for it, like if you have a wet diaper, if you want to put anything extra there, that's the reason why I have this small potting out here to use on that. So you see slightly this is longer than this. This is 9 inch as you can see by 7 inch. So when you sew it on the side of the bottom, you're going to, there is a way you extend it. I will show you when I'm making that, for you to be able to put extra large something inside. So these are the 14 and we shall proceed to the assembly of everything now. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, click the notification bell, you get notified each and every time we upload a new video. Leave comments in the comment section below on what you think on this particular video we are about to make. Share this with your friend and we shall see you on the process of making the bag. Thank you guys for watching. My zip, and this is the 2 parts that is going to carry the zip, and this is my zip head as you can see. So the next thing now is to start sewing the zip to most of this thing you see here. You want to keep this and put your zip. I know by now most of you know how to assemble your zip. It's not a difficult task at all. It's just something you just relax and do gently. So when we measure the zip, at least we add 2 inch. So if you are sewing as well, you won't let it get to the end, so that you can join the 2 material together from where you stopped to where the zip stops. So that is exactly what I'm trying to do now. So guys, here we have is this is my side to the bottom to the other side. You know, for the nursing bag is going to have a pocket at the side, maybe when you can put your wet diaper outside. So here is it, the pocket as well. You see the process I use in making it. I hope you guys can see it clearly. You fold a little bit inside. Then this is the main front view. I make a 3 pocket where you can put your feeding bottle, then put my magic gum. As you can see, this is it. I have 1 pocket here 2 pockets and the third pocket. So that is that. You fold this from the measurement I talked about earlier. This is the front pocket, you fold it, and this is the zip extension. You see, we've stitched our zip. We stitch it through the inside and through the outside. We stitch it through the inside as well, so that it will not be affecting this side when you are zipping. So the next thing now is to sew our hand to the back panel and the front panel. Then we assemble, we fix the side to both of it. Then we fix the zip extension, and our nursing bag is ready to be used. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified. You'll be the first person to get notified when we upload a new video. Leave a comment on what you think on this video. Share this with your friend, and we'll see you when we finish assembling everything. Thanks for watching. So here we have it, guys. I've done the first one. So you measure the center in between the hand. It will be in between your hand will be 5 inch. So when you measure your center, you measure 2.5 inch to this place. So now I will measure 5 inch and continue sewing the second handle as well as I've done the first one. And as you can see, this is where 5 inch stop, right? So you place your hand, you make sure everything is well balanced, and you reverse your machine and you stitch. And here we have our hand. These are the two hands, the first one and the second one. So what I will try to do here is, for easy carrying, is the way this hand is, the way the handle is. I will try as much as possible to stitch a little bit out of it from the center. So I do it this way, and I'll fold it a little bit and stitch some parts of the bag for easy carriage. I'm supposed to do this before I stitch the handle to the back and front panel of the bag, but you know, whichever way you want to do it, you can do it, as long as you know it's not going to affect your own work, or maybe So guys, to fix the zip to the bag itself, what you will do is, this is the face of the zip extension and this is the face of the bag. So you turn everything backward, you make sure you are facing each other this way, then you look for the last angle, just as I've done this, as you see. Then you place it there, it will be facing each other. Then you start sewing, you sew to the other part, you sew down to this side and sew back to this place. Then you turn your bag. After you turn your bag again, if you want to stitch outside, you stitch outside. So I'm going to be showing you that if I'm going to do that, but if I'm not going to do it, I'll just stitch the inside and turn my bag, and the bag is ready to be used. So here you have the bag. So it's done now. But the way it is now, the way I fixed the zip extension, you can decide to leave it this way to give the bag extra space. But if you put your stuff inside, this is how it's going to look like from the outside, just here and this place. So I don't want it to look like this. So instead of leaving it this way, I will turn it. I will stitch the outside of it, just like a reinforcement, so that this place will be inside. If you carry your bag, here will be inside. So that is what I'm going to do now. And other than that, our bag is done. So here is it, guys. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. So thank you guys for watching this video. See, this is how our bag look like so far. You know, I said we have a pocket on this side, on this particular side, where you can put your wet diaper. Then we have a front pocket where you can put your filling bottle or your feeder, which is 1, 2 and 3. Then it has a cover. Then the main bag, which is this particular zip. So I stuck some stuff inside to give it the shape it's going to have. So this is it. You can carry it as a handbag or even a shoulder bag. So this is our nursing bag for nursing mom. You see. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You enjoyed the way we make it. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment in the comment section below what you think, if you understand everything. If there is anything you want me to help you out with, please let me to know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, share this video with your friends. When you subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell so that you get notified each and every time we upload a new video. And you know, this is everything for this particular video. I'm loving this bag, seriously. I think I'm going to get one. No, I'm not married yet, so don't mind me. I love this bag. I'm loving this bag so much, and the shape as well. So guys, that is it for you. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye.